In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva design to a Wix website. If you've already created a design in Canva and you want to display it directly on your Wix site, the good news is that the process is very simple. You will be copying the embed code from Canva, then placing that code into an HTML embed element inside Wix. Once that's done, you can resize it, position it properly, and publish your site so visitors can see it. To begin, open your finished design or website in Canva. Make sure you are working with the final version you want to display, because whatever you embed is what will appear on your Wix page. When your design is ready, go to the top right corner and click Share. After the Share menu opens, click More, which is usually shown as the 3 dots. This will open additional sharing options from there. Choose Embed. Canva will then generate code that allows your design to be displayed on another website. At this point, copy the HTML embed code. This part is important. Make sure you copy the HTML code, not the smart link. The HTML embed code is what Wix needs in order to display the design properly inside your website. If you copy the wrong option, it may not appear the way you expect. Now switch over to your website in the Wix editor. Open the page where you want the Canva design to appear, and navigate to the exact section where you'd like to place it. It helps to decide in advance whether the design should go in a banner area, within a content section, or somewhere further down the page. Next, look to the left side of the Wix editor and click the plus button, labeled Add Elements. Scroll down until you find Embed Code, then select Embed HTML. This adds an HTML box to your page, which is where your Canva code will go. Once the HTML element appears, paste your Canva code into the dialog box and click Update. Wix will load the embedded design inside that space. If it doesn't look perfect right away, that's completely normal. Now resize and position the box on your canvas so it fits neatly into your page layout. Take a moment to adjust the width and height so the design is easy to view and aligns well with the rest of your content. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. And that's it. Thanks for watching.